How to place an order on Shein app. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial and open the Shein application on your device. In order to place an order, you first need to go ahead and select the products that you want to purchase. So, tap on any items that you require and click on Add to Cart. Once added, go to your cart, and in order to check out, select the final items from the items that you have selected. You can add a bunch of items at once. Now click on Checkout. Add in your shipping address, your shipping method if you want standard shipping or express shipping. Now choose your payment method if you want to pay with PayPal or your credit card or debit card, or if you want to buy now and pay later or make an Apple Pay. If you have any coupon or gift card and enjoy the additional benefits such as discounts or free gifts, tap on Apply Coupon or Free Gifts. You can see I have applied a coupon code and received a certain discount. Now click on Place an Order and your order will be placed. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.